Let's get those wheels dirty, son.
What's going on, guys? Virgil here with Team Battle Trails, and welcome back to another adventure video. And today we are out here in Anza-Borrego. It is a beautiful day. I'm out here with my kids. We're gonna go around, do a little bit of exploring, find camp. But first off, we need to air down.
My poop hurt.
What happened to your tooth?
It's wiggling.
Let me see. Get those wheels dirty, son. Let's go. We just passed Split Mountain. We're here on Fish Creek. It is a beautiful day to be out here exploring. All right, we found our favorite camp spot. Now time to settle down and relax, enjoy the rest of the evening, and get the kids out and set up camp. Almost got it.
Look, my tooth came out. That's it. Scary. There.
Check out this Devil's Outdoor Light Ranger light. It's a pretty cool light. This thing you could detach, and then the switch right here. That's it. And lock it in place. This goes up to like about 9 feet. Turn it on. Bring it up. There it is.
Taller than Daddy. I want to go up there. butter.
All right, we're gonna be making some
Grilled
grilled cheese.
Grilled cheese? My favorite. Oh.
All right, tonight's dinner is some ultimate Caesar salad with some chicken. We're not gonna be eating any steak today, but just keeping it clean tonight.
He's on a diet. He's on a diet.
Can't lose that dad bod.
Close it up.
Ooh, this is some good stuff here.
The dragons burned the castle. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! You get to cut. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. That. Oh.
Whoa.
I missed that. 2-1. 3-3.
Let's have fun.
Yeah. So cold.
Morning.
Oh, 2-1. Whoa! I'm taking the easier way. I need a break. Already?
Alright guys, that will do it for this video. I just want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. And that is it. We are heading home. It was a great night hanging out with the kids. As always, be safe and we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.